It's Guy from the Blume Group at Keller Realty in Alameda. Welcome to 36 Lawrence Road in the Columbia neighborhood on Harbor Bay Isle on Bay Farm Island. We're here at 36 Lawrence Road and we're greeted by a waterfall and pond and some would-be furry friends here floating in the pond itself. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, about a little over 1,500 square feet on a nearly 5,000 square foot lot. Let's go inside and take a look. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. I'm Guy, the Alameda Realtor Guy, and you can find out more about this house at 36lawrence.com. Lots of photos, video, and a 3D tour. Stay healthy, Alameda, and don't have a good day. Have a great day.